Happy National Forklift Safety Day.
Here's some tips to keep you safe in the warehouse.
Over 70% of forklift accidents can be prevented with proper training and policy.
Pedestrians always have the right of way.
Keep your arms, legs, and head inside the forklift cab.
Use safe speeds.
Make sure that your forklift pathways, your pedestrian pathways are clearly marked. There's clear divisibility between the two pathways. There's clear
Wirecrafter's driver access cages are important to install in your facility to keep visitors from walking into forklift traffic.
Watch out for blind spots.
Avoid distractions. Stay off your phone while operating equipment.
Avoid abrupt stops.
Make sure that if you're the forklift operator and you're the pedestrian, that you can make eye contact. You know that each other are present before you cross through their pathway.
Share these tips with others.
Be safe this year.